Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see the folder structure and hello world program in React.js. So without wasting any time, let's start. You can see here the first is node modules. All these node modules installed, and if you remember, we had written while we were installing the node.js setup, we had written in our command prompt npm install -g, and then written we create react app. And after our this command, let me show you in practical. We had basically this when we had written uh, npm install npm install and -g, and then we had written create react sorry create react app. And after our this command, we got all these node modules here. So hopefully you understood why node modules are here. So ignore them, these are just modules, not many usable, not too much understandable for you. Just ignore them, and keep in mind that all these are node modules. And let me show you from the bottom. This is package.json, and in package.json we have all the React metadata. Here we can see the React version, and here we have React DOM version, and here React setup version, and React vital versions. All these are just versions of our metadata that we are using. So ignore the remaining things, and package log.json. This is nothing but also almost same. You can see here we have packages and their versions as well. Ignore it. This is basically not. Ignore it. This is nothing for the time being, and not understandable by you at the time being. Setup test. Setup test is nothing, believe me. And report web vitals. Here we have logo.svg index.js. This is the most important file, index.js. And here in index.js we would write everything of the website, and this is index.css. We would have written here all the css of this index.js, and we would write in index.css all the index.js css here. So app.test.js and app.js. This app.js is a React component, so ignore it for the time being. I will explain it in detail in our later video. App.js, app.css, this is nothing but just the css of app component. So now in public folder we can have robots.txt, ignore it. And we can have this is logo fav icon. Just show me let me see. In this all the in this public folder, the main folder is index.html, and here in index.html we would not write even a single line of code. And without writing any code in index.html, we would create our websites as well as applications. So let me show you our first hello world program. we would have just move on index.js, just remove it. All the data is removed here, and import React from React. We have to write the first line here, React DOM, and we have imported index.css. We are the every page we want to use in any other page, we would have to import it from our page. And you can see we have imported React and React DOM in this page, as well as index.css, and imported app from .app, which is imported from this folder sources. And this is the React component basically, and we will see in details in our later part of video. So here you have to write, let me just show you, react dom dot react dom dot create root and document dot get id by element root. You can see that if you know a little bit about JavaScript, you would have seen that document dot get element by id, this is nothing but just the id which is got from public folder. And here in index.html you will see, let me show you, here you can see this is the id which is basically imported in index.js. Document.getElement by id means this place is pointing to index.html here, and we would write everything let me see, ignore it. We will write everything here, and all the things are automatically went to index.html. And let me show you our first hello world program. Let me create h1, and here I am going to write hello world. So first of all, you should have to keep in mind that if you don't have opened command prompt, you have to write cmd, and here you have to click and move to our project in our E drive. No, what folder basically I had, let me see, I had first React app. Where is it? Let me, first React app. No, here I have to change directory to first React app, and here you can see that we went in the folder of first React app. And let me show you where is this folder. We went in E drive, and here we have this one is first React app, and we can check what directories the folder have. Just write dir. You can see that here we have a file 0 bytes, and we will move our path to React app. You have to write here change directory React app, and here you have the most important thing, npm start node package manager start. It will take some time, and when it is started, we will see our project successful. So it will take some time. Basically here we are going to show our output in our web browser. It is going to open and create the web browser. The every code we will write in our VS Code, it will be shown in our web browser where it is going to open the open our VS Code. You can see it is asking us for allow access, and I have accepted it. It is taking some time as it is going to open React.js compiler. Starting the development server, and you can see that localhost 3000, it is opening at localhost 3000. Let me show you why it is writing here 3000. Basically I had in our package.json we had localhost of 3000. Where was it? Let me check it. Is it open now? No, it is still taking some time, so you have to just wait for the moment. It is open here. Oh, we had not saved it. You can see that. Just write Control S. Now it is saved. You can see that here we have hello world program, which is the output basically, and opened at localhost 3000. So our first project of hello world is successfully ran. What happened basically? We are just writing here what to write and where to write. This is create React DOM, and this is showing that what to write, and document dot get element by id root. This is the id which is written in index.html. This is basically showing that where to write. uh, Let me show you the hello program, which is hello world program, which is written in h1 tag, and here in root id we have basically written here h1 tag, h1, and here is written h8, h8. Basically this is written here by React.js, and we don't gonna write anything in index.html folder, and we are going to everything, and we can have any other, like this is setting opened. We can write any paragraph here. like I'm engineer Samuel, mistakenly write the name. So I'm just going to show its error. No, the question is what is the error here? P1 and the error I am going to show is a big error, and I am going to show the error in our next video. So you might be thinking that what is the error here, and we can write only single line of code here basically, and we can write anything else here, hello there, or anything else we can write here everything, and it will not give any error. But when we would write any second line, it will give error. I will show you in the next video what is the error. You can see that hello world, hello there, which I have written here, you can see. So this was our all the folder structure and hello world program.